In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate email theme from a Mautic campaign. First, open your Mautic login page and sign in with your credentials. Once you're in, head to the main navigation and open channels, then choose emails. This is where all your existing emails live, including the ones used inside campaigns. We're going to duplicate one so you can reuse its theme and layout without rebuilding it from scratch. Find the email whose design you want to copy. On the right side of that row, click the three-dot menu to reveal more options, and choose Clone. Cloning is the quickest way to replicate the same structure, styling, and components while letting you update the content and settings for a new send. You'll be asked to select the type of email. Pick the type that matches how you plan to use it. In many Mautic setups, segment emails are scheduled or sent to a defined segment, while template emails are reusable and often referenced by campaigns or other automated flows. If you're duplicating a campaign asset, choose the type that aligns with your campaign's needs. Next, select a template. If the original used a specific theme, choose the same template here to keep the visual design consistent. This preserves your layout, colors, and blocks. You can still adjust images and copy later, but keeping the template consistent ensures your brand look stays intact and responsive across devices. Enter a subject line that fits the new email's purpose. Keep it clear and concise, and make sure it matches the content the recipient will see. Then add an internal name. This is only visible inside Mautic and is useful for organization. Consider including the purpose, date, or campaign tag so you can find it easily later. Now select the contact segment. Choose the audience that should receive this email based on your plan. Double check that the segment reflects the right criteria, since this determines who is eligible to get the message when you schedule or trigger it. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. Mautic will create your cloned email using the same theme as the original, ready for you to review, personalize, and use in your campaign or send plan. That's all it takes to duplicate an email theme in Mautic without rebuilding your design. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this walkthrough while you follow along in your own account.